Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Following that, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, some text correction options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switcher next to the chosen one, or tap on the chosen one and adjust it. When you're ready, you need to scroll down. Tap on More Typing options and manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!